Star Tours is a thrilling ride. No, I'm talking about the OG Star Tours. Did you know the original plan is not a motion simulator ride? Let me explain. In the recent 1980s, George Lucas teamed up with Disney, led by CEO Michael Eisner, to create a Star Wars attraction for their theme park. The original plan was for an ambitious ride where guests could choose between two roller coasters, one representing the Rebel Alliance and the other the Galactic Empire. Like hitting the like button for the YouTube algorithm. This will help this video to reach out more viewers like you. Or consider subscribing and ring that notification bell for more content like this. If you are new here or like our content, thank you. Each coaster would offer a unique experience. However, the idea faced several challenges. Building two high-tech roller coasters extended Disney's budget, especially as they were already managing other expensive projects. Additionally, there wasn't enough space in the park to accommodate both large rides. After much consideration, the decision was made to abandon the dual coaster concept in favor of a more cost-effective solution, a motion simulator ride. This shift led to the creation of Star Tours, which used advanced simulator technology of the time to give guests the feeling of flying through the Star Wars universe without the need for a massive roller coaster structure. While different from the original plan, Star Tours became a huge success, offering an immersive and thrilling experience that fits within Disney's budget and space limitations. The collaboration between George Lucas and Disney proved to be groundbreaking, and although the original dual coaster idea was scrapped, the innovation and storytelling of Star Tours laid the foundation for future Star Wars attractions in Disney parks. Adding bonus, Disney eventually gave Space Mountain a Star Wars theme overlay at Disneyland named Hyperspace Mountain in Disneyland for a limited time. Later, they went to Hong Kong Disneyland and Disneyland Paris for their Space Mountain ride. But there are more facts about the OG Star Tours to talk about. Click the link where the arrows are pointing in the description, or check out this video on the left of the screen. If you want to watch something else, click this video on the right. Also, more videos are in the description. Finally, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.